What's up, guys? What are you guys up to? Jaeger Wrenching here. Welcome to the channel. My name is Chad. As you guys just saw by that intro, we got a little shifter. We got a little, Cobra shift knob, and we got a ride or die bunny with us as well. You can see him chilling up there. Why is he chilling up there? Well, usually he's in the cigarette lighter, but right now he's up on the dash because we currently don't have a tranny in this car. So what are we doing today? Well, today, guys, it's going to be a short video. We're not going to make it too long, and I don't want to bore you at the same time. So we're going to be talking about the tranny. What is the deal with it? What's going on? As of right now, you guys, if you haven't seen my last video, I'll put a little link right here. Bing, bing, bing. Hit that thing up here. Bing, bing, bing. That's the video of me taking the transmission out of this car. I handed it off to a guy who has built a lot of transmissions in his day. Seems pretty knowledgeable to me. Talking to him, asked all the right questions, says all the right things. So I went ahead and did that. We handed off the transmission. He's got it. It's in his hands. We're just waiting for him to tell me what he thinks it needs. But I want to let you guys in on a little secret of what I'm going to be doing right now. Regardless of what he says, we're going to be buying all the parts to basically get this guy upgraded to the Stage 2 package. Well, the Stage 2 package includes carbon blockers, carbon synchros, also comes with billet 1, 2, and 3, 4 keys, upgraded springs, changes the 3/4 shift fork from aluminum to steel, and I think that's pretty much it. I think we should go put this guy over here on. I think this tank needs to go on here. So what we're probably gonna do is take this tank and we're gonna go get a coolant cap for it. And since the car's already jacked up in the air here, and I have AN fittings for it, so if you guys see this tank right here, we got this fitting down here, which is nice, for the hose. But we have this hole on the side right here. We need to take that guy, and it originally had, let me set that down. It originally had this piece in here, this, AN, or not AN, NPT I should say, to barbed fitting. It is quarter NPT to -6 AN, and then we have this -6 AN to push lock. So it's gonna be nice and black. We're gonna make it look good, because this brass piece would just look, you guys can see it. I just don't think that would look very good. What do you guys think? You think that would look good sticking out of there? I don't think that looks as good as that looks, guys. So you guys tell me what you think. I really like AN, because once we seal this NPT, we won't ever have to mess with it. Everything else will be done with the AN fitting here, which is nice. Because if you have the barb and you have your hose shoved onto this barb, it's really difficult to remove it if you need to remove it. Versus this AN, once it's shoved onto this barb, we can just undo this AN fitting, undo it, and we can take this whole tank out if we need to take the tank out. So that being said, we are gonna, I need to go get a cap for this, a new radiator cap, because the factory style one right here won't fit. So let's go get that. Excuse me, sir.
What was it called? We're on Candy Cam.
Do you know what that is? How do you not know what that is, dude? What do you mean you don't know what that is? It's a Mustang.
It's to a Mustang. How about that?
We need a radiator cap. That's what we need. What's Tony doing in there, huh? Tony, what are you doing? Tony!
What is this?
Here. Ooh. Take that lollipop, thank you. Oh, this is the best.
What pound of a cap do you want? 1921.
Dang, dude. Mr. Gasket Temp ones, dude. Let's see. Will that guy fit? Will these guys fit? What are these guys?
Billet bodies.
Yeah, I may go. Should I go billet, dude?
They're 16 pound. They're not.
Both of them are 16
I
pound?
believe so.
Race proven. Do you guys see that? Race.
It's the only
Proven.
thing that says that. That don't say it.
Yeah. That ain't race proven. This beautiful store. Hey, my tires here. Can we go look at my tires?
They are.
You didn't call me with a date, dude. What's up with that?
Why was it date? I mean,
For my wheels.
I did it when I told you originally they were 6 to 8 weeks.
He's got us on blast. We're both on the spot.
What the heck? I know, but did they actually say? Did they give a date?
Sometimes they do.
Mr. Youngin.
Who's Mr. Young? Wow,
gonna
put
go.
it upside down.
Bam.
Oh,
Actually
bad.
looks pretty good, dude. We're gonna rock it. Look at that, we're gonna rock it.
There's a little kitty on your camera.
Isn't that?
It's not a kitty, it's a freaking mic cover for wind noise, bro. Wind noise.
That's why they got those big.
Are these them? Are these my actual tires, Joe?
That's it. That's the one that's on the ticket.
Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How long do they last? A day?
2 or 3 days maybe. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I was just worried about that not fitting in the front. Because I've seen people put 28s and have them hit, so that's a half inch smaller, so I'm hoping it will. I say actual height is like 27.6. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to install the tank. We're gonna do it right now. I want to show you guys that in a second. It was a little rough last night. Wasn't feeling 100%, so ended up, you know, not feeling too well, not doing it. But we're here now. We're gonna get it done. You guys want to see it, so let's jump right into this and get it done. At the Milwaukee, the adapter. And just run it around the outside of the hose, trying not to obviously stab the hose. And then you can just slide it around, and usually it helps you get it off.
Everything changes.
It's got some gnarly dye in it, guys. It's crazy. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that. That stuff is like insanely neon. Like I've never seen anything like it. It's almost like somebody put coolant dye in here because they were trying to chase a coolant leak or something. Alright guys, so we got the tank here. Looking good with our Numeroso cap on there. I like it. Put this fitting on, so I went ahead and put Teflon tape on it and installed it. Just so you guys know, whenever you put the Teflon tape on these fittings, you want to put the tape on the fitting and you want to hold the tape and you want to roll. Basically what you want to do is spin the fitting like with the tape, because if you put the Teflon tape on the wrong way and you go to thread the fitting on, the fitting will actually start pushing all your Teflon tape off. So what you want to do is hold it and have your tape come from this side and your fitting be here, and this is spinning your fitting like this, so it's pulling the tape onto it. That way when you wrap around it, when you spin it, it tightens the tape on, and then when you spin that into the fitting itself, or into the tank I should say, whatever the case may be, it could be pipe, could be something else, but when you spin it into it, it's not going to unravel all that tape and have it bind up. That's when you have a problem with it not sealing right and it'll look ugly. And if you're one of those people that's kind of too complicated to do, even though it's very simple, you know, grab yourself some of the paste. They make this stuff in a paste. I recommend it. I like it personally better than the tape. Some scenarios I think the tape works better. A lot of stuff like this, paste will work okay. If it's a real high pressure, a lot of times I'll use tape just because the tape doesn't like to move. But if you give paste enough time to set up properly, like at least a day, 24 hours, usually you're okay with it if you can give it 24 hours. But if you don't have 24 hours and you're in a hurry, you know, go ahead and do the tape. Let's get this guy installed. I'm so excited to get this in. You guys see on the corner of this, or this end, there's a little bit of debris over here. I'm gonna try and just clean this hole up a little bit with a drill bit and give ourselves some room, because it's not quite fitting on this tab perfectly. It's kind of bending the stud that way, so. I'm still not happy with that. You guys can see I did it a little bit. It's not sitting completely flush. It's kind of hard to tell on camera actually, except for the stud itself is at an angle. See, if you look at that stud, it's sitting at an angle. I don't like the angle that that guy's at, let alone it's really close to this tank. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece off, and I'm gonna see if I can adjust this tank and move it over just a little bit. So let's try and do that. These are junk, complete junk. Alright guys, we almost got this in here. I made a little bit more of a mess on it, but we're close, so check it out, boys. She's looking pretty good. I just gotta tighten it or put the clamp up and make sure this hose fits this barb. Well guys, I think that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out this little ending, because I'm going to do some cool little shots for you guys of this reservoir install so you can see it, you know, completely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So get the heck out of here.